This is a dead Sylvester palm. I estimate the height of this trunk at 30 feet. You see it, it's way up there. The tree is dead. We're going to remove it. We're going to dig the tree out. You can see where it's up on a little mound here. I will find out if this mound is all wood chips or if the tree, I don't understand why it's on a big mound like that. The tree itself is about 13 and a half feet off the road. The water line is running 15 feet off the road, so the water line is over here. It's not directly under the trunk of the tree, so we pretty much think we can dig this tree out without a lot of complication, but we're still going to do a utility locate. But we take this tree out and put a small ribbon palm in with 5 or 6 feet of trunk height. You can see here's the water line. The water line might be out here closer to the road, and that's just where the meter is. But we're going to have a utility locate done. We'll find out all of that stuff. But there it is. Big old tall, dead Sylvester. It died, the lady said, that in April someone climbed it to trim it. Climbers use spikes, and spikes kill palms. So that's what we feel like is the reason for the death of the tree. So if you ever have someone knock on your door and wants to trim your tree and they want to climb up it, tell them to get off your property, because they are about to kill your tree. So here we are. One of our little jobs. It's what we do all day, every day. Not a big deal for us, but it is a big job for you. Don't do it yourself. Call the tree planters at thetreeplanters.com.